in gran forma. Cubano, cubano.
Ready to go. Now it's the second baseman, Jackie Robinson. That catches the zone for a strike, and this one is off and running. Swing and a ground ball up the middle, and that one finds its way through. So a runner aboard to start the inning. This is Corbin Carroll. Now a drag bunt, third base side, and that's a foul ball.
Here's a fun fact on Corbin, and I don't know if
There goes Jackie. And a foul ball. And that one is downstairs. 1-2 to count. Robinson aboard here at first with nobody out. Scooble throw to first. Jackie dives back. They got him. They picked him off. Fouls it off. Still 1-2. One down, base is empty. This one popped up. 2 away.
Well, that's a frustrating end to the at-bat for the hitter right there. I mean, that pitch was right down the middle. I think he got a little too excited, came out of his mechanics, and instead of driving that ball somewhere, he popped it up. Unfortunate for him.
And first offering is fouled off. Scooble, 28 years old, and he was a 9th-round draft pick back in 2018. That's to third, and that's just foul. 2 outs. Swing and a ball lifted in the air. Shallow right field. Makes the catch, inning over. Here's the center fielder, Cody Bellinger. In the air out towards right center. Rodriguez on the move to the alley. Makes the grab, and there's one down. Francisco Lindor comes up to the plate. And first offering is fouled off.
Pedro's one of the most dominant pitchers in the history of the game, Boog, and he's known for his excellent command of the baseball and a variety of pitches that always seems to confuse lineups.
And that's outside. And the count is 1-1. And it's fouled away.
That is all the way.
Swings and misses. It's a strikeout. Chase the fastball up the ladder for strike 3. Mike Napoli in the box here. Lets that one go for a ball. Yeah, big swing and a miss.
He's going to have to make sure that he stays patient because he is the focal point in that lineup. They're going to pitch him tough. They're going to pitch around him. And when he doesn't see other guys doing anything, what you can do is become a little too aggressive and chase out of the zone.
Brings it in for the third out. And welcome back to the ballpark. And now the right fielder, Ronald Acuna Jr. Skubal back to work. Swing and a miss, strike one.
Tie a guy up like that, you're feeling like you are in command.
And ball one.
Well, triple digits on the gun. I know there are more pitchers that can reach that now than in the past, but it's still impressive to watch.
Swing and a miss. He was late. Strike two.
Two strikes.
And that's ruled a swing. It's a strikeout. Now the third baseman, Ellie De La Cruz. And that is out of play. Missed with a changeup, and it's a ball and a strike. The 1-1 is fouled off. Hit hard on the ground is short. Lindor on to first. 2 up, 2 down. And here's the first baseman. Swing and a miss as he was late that time.
Well, you got to be careful with this guy. 2 outs, nobody on. He's looking to drive the ball really far. So if you can't get him to chase your pitch, you might just pitch.
He takes it himself to the bag, and that'll do it. Back here at PNC Park, and Kyle Schwarber will come up. Chris, he leads the way with the best batting average on the team.
Oh, no.
Cut on and missed at 101. It's 0-1. That one way inside. The 1-1 is fouled off. Got him swinging. And now the first baseman, Nick Kurtz. Inside, just missed. Pitch in the dirt, and the count is 2-0. That one at triple digits.
Well, that's today's style of baseball right there, right? Big time velo on the bump and big time pop at the plate.
De La Cruz. The throw to first, and that quickly 2 away. Here's Kyle Tucker. There's the strike.
Looks like a really good fastball today. You can hear that catcher's mitt popping. Looking forward to hearing a lot of that one in this one.
Breaking ball misses down and away.
1-1.
What time?
Comes up empty as he chases that one in the dirt.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Yeah, good
Up the
time.
middle. Aparicio fires over to first. 3 up, 3 down, inning over. Well, here we go. Top of the third, scoreless game. And now the center fielder, Julio Rodriguez.
No, late.
Grich makes the grab. 1 up, 1 down. Ozzie Smith, the next to hit.
There are hitters you love to watch hit, pitchers you love to watch pitch, but with Ozzie Smith, he was a player you love to watch field his position, a shortstop virtuoso.
And that's down and away. The great thing about Ozzie in the field was that he could make any play he needed to. Diving stops, jump throws, cross body throws.
2-1.
It took Ozzie almost 3,000 left-handed at-bats until he hit his first home run from that side of the plate, and he did it in style, a walk-off shot to win Game 5 of the '85 NLCS for the Cardinals.
And a couple of quick outs. And here is Craig Biggio. Makes the catch, and that is that.
That's 43 power. Didn't let him hit a home run. Home run. Missed it.
And we're back. Digging in is the switch inning outfielder, Lance Berkman. And that one is lifted in the air. Acuna on the run. But the second baseman calls him off. One away. So digging in, Bobby Grich.
That's a really nice play, ranging back into the outfield for that catch. We all know those can be a little tricky, especially if the wind's swirling around out there.
Swing and a miss. There's that changeup. One out, bases empty. That misses the zone. Now 2 balls and a strike.
If you're going to miss, you want to miss outside the zone. When you miss inside the zone, it's trouble.
And a swing and a miss.
He got away with one there, but he knows he can't go into that spot very often against a guy like this.
Headed towards the corner. And that is a foul ball. And a swing and a miss. Down on strikes. And he's registered 3 Ks in this one. And first offering is fouled off. Swing and a foul out of play. Still tied at 0. Last of the third. And that one hammered. Carroll going back onto the track, and he makes the catch. Back here in Pittsburgh, onto the 4th, and now here is Jackie Robinson. Swing and a foul back, and that's out of play. Robinson, 26 years old, usually a shortstop, but today he's starting at second base. Bellinger makes the catch, and there's one gone. Corbin Carroll getting ready to hit. First time up was a pop out. Check swing, called strike. 4th inning underway, no score. Strike 2.
Well, this can be kind of frustrating for the hitting coach. Right now, this lineup seems to be swinging at everything.
Got him. And there's 2 away. So 2 down now, and here is Luis Aparicio. Ground ball, left side. Tosses to first, and it's a 1-2-3 inning. And welcome back to the ballpark. Bottom of the 4th, here's the center fielder, Cody Bellinger. First pitch doesn't find the zone. Bellinger's an interesting example when you talk about scouting and development. I mean, this is a guy now that has turned into one of the premier power hitters in the sport. He was a 4th-round pick out of Hamilton High School in Chandler, Arizona in 2013. He hit 1 homer his senior year. That one fouled off, 2-2.
He's mixing his pitches really well. Late on that fastball after seeing the changeup. See if he can elevate one. I think if he does, he'll get the swing and miss.
The pitch. Spoils that one, and it remains 2-2. Hit in the air, left field. Carroll in position. Squeezes it, and there's one away. And now it's Frankie Lindor. 0 for 1. He struck out swinging last time. That one fouled off. Here's the 0-1.
Oh, wow.
Fought off foul. Swing and a high fly ball out towards right center field. Rodriguez settles underneath it, brings it in, and there's 2 down. Mike Napoli will hit next. 0 for 1 so far. Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. And now a 2-out opportunity for Kyle Schwarber.
Everything came together for him. Just kept it simple. Played pepper with the middle of the infield and took it back where it came from. And there's just no one there to knock it down.
Fair ball. Lead runner gets the stop sign at third. It's a 2-out double. Second and third now. Now a chance for Nick Kurtz. Swing and a miss at 100 miles an hour. Swing and a miss, and that's strike 2.
Threw that fastball right by him, slightly elevated. That's a confidence boost for this guy out there on the mound. See if he continues to climb the ladder.
And a swing and a miss. Back here at PNC Park, now it's the right fielder, Ronald Acuna Jr. Skubal back to work. Swing and a miss. There's the changeup.
Well, these guys just aren't putting together very many good at-bats in this one. Just one base runner to this point, and it's not exactly early anymore. They have guys in this lineup capable of sparking something, but it just hasn't happened for them yet.
Swings through it, and that's a strikeout. Here's the third. Baseman Ellie De La Cruz grounded out his first time up. Inside corner for a strike. The 0-1 is outside, and it's a ball and a strike. Base is empty, 1 away, and we're at the top of the 5th. Inside at 100, ball 2. And he swings through that one.
Well, there's a certain point where you have to commit to what you think you see, and he guessed wrong right there. Nasty slider with just terrific bite at the end.
Foul ball, another 2-2 upcoming. Good battle here, about to be the 8th pitch of the at-bat. And that one is inside. Strike 3, and that's 2 in a row. And here's the first baseman. He's 0 for 1. Great speed and great power. A great athlete, quite simply. Ground ball right side. Grich over to first, and it's a 1-2-3 inning. We head to the bottom of the 5th. So here's Kyle Tucker now. Swing and a miss. Nice changeup.
Well, he's been incredibly efficient in this one. First pitch strike percentage over 70%. That's well above league average, and that's what's allowed him to pitch well up until this point.
Misses the zone, and he gets him to chase.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
King Tuck goes down on strikes. Now the left fielder, Lance Berkman. Swing and a miss. There's the slider. 0-1. Swings and misses at the pitch off the plate.
Well, he's been aggressive right out of the box, and a smart pitcher is going to play off of that, especially when you get to 2 strikes.
And ring him up, says Patrick Johnson. That's a strikeout. Bobby Grich digs in now. Swings through that one for strike one.
Well, he threw that fastball right by him. Gives him a little bit of confidence, but in the back of your mind, you got to think, is he trying to set me up for later in this at-bat?
And a base hit. And that keeps the inning going. So up next, Terry Pendleton. Fly to left his first time. That one the other way. Nabs it, and that will end the inning. All right, we go to the top half of inning number 6. And now the center fielder, Julio Rodriguez. Fouled off. He was late. The Mariners knew what they had. Signed him in July of 2017 for a little under $2 million when Rodriguez was just 16 years old out of the Dominican Republic.
2 strikes.
Tucker really on his horse for it. And there's one down. Next is the DH, a switch hitter, Ozzie Smith. Grounded out to short in his first trip. A swing and a miss, and that's strike one.
Boog, over 80% of his first pitches are strikes. You're doing that, you could have a really good day out there on the mound.
So now a pinch hitter, Tim Raines. One out, the base is empty for him. One down, base is empty. Slice the other way and foul. That one missed. Cut on and lifted in the air. Puts it away for the out. And there's 2 away. Next to hit, Craig Biggio.
Yeah, that's a tough play for the infielder, ranging back into the outfield. There's part of him that's saying, hey, where you at, outfielder? Call me off. But he stayed focused and made a nice catch right there.
Bellinger. And we're back. Well, we go bottom 6 at the plate. Cody Bellinger. This one high in the air to left center. Carroll. He makes the grab. One down. Now up to hit Francisco Lindor. 0 for 2 in this one. And that one fouled off.
This guy must be glitching.
All tied up here in the bottom of the 6th. Got it. Picks up strikeout number 7. Here's the catcher to hit, Mike Napoli. That one not close. 1-0.
Well, on the mound, very efficient, able to produce an outcome, it seems like, within the 3rd or 4th pitch of just about every at-bat.
Checked his swing of the 1-0 and appealed to first. And he held up. He was late there, strike one.
And it really looks like these hitters have been in between with their timing today. Good fastball, excellent slider, but they've not been able to commit to one velocity and stay there.
And there's a ball. Good job to fight that one off. 2 down, nobody on. Here's a swing and a drive left field, and he knew it. He'll circle the bases, and just like that, they're out front. It's 1-0. Swing and a foul straight back. 2 outs, base is empty. High fly ball, pretty well struck out towards right center. Back there, and brings it in at the wall. Top of inning number 7. Here's the second baseman, Jackie Robinson. And a first pitch fastball is in for a strike.
Pretty amazing. His first pitch strike percentage over 90%. You know you're getting something in the zone first pitch. So if you're a hitter, you got to be ready to let it fly, even though he's had a lot of success on that first pitch of the at-bat.
They get the out on Robinson.
That play won't be trending on social media later on, but it's still important to execute it to perfection. This game is a lot harder than it looks, partner.
Tosses to first, and a couple of quick outs. Here's the shortstop at the plate, Luis Aparicio. And a foul ball.
I'm impressed by the number of first pitch strikes. He's not afraid of contact. Some guys, they'll nibble just because they don't want to get hit hard. That's not what we're seeing here.
And that's the third out. Set for the last half of the seventh. And now the first baseman, Nick Kurtz. Swing and a miss, and 102 on the radar gun. That one at triple digits.
Quickly in an 0-2 count, you've got to figure out a way to shorten your path to the baseball. Put it in play somewhere, then you got a chance.
This one in the air. Aparicio makes the grab, one away. Kyle Tucker, a.k.a. King Tuck, to the plate now. And he grounds one to the right side. Handles, throws to first. 2 up, 2 down. 2 outs, base is empty. Lance Berkman, the next to hit. Ground ball right side. And it's through for a hit. And that keeps the inning alive.
Wastes no time there. Just one of those seen high base hits through the infield. He just kind of rolled over on it a little bit, but sometimes those can find a hole and get you a knock.
And now it's going to be Bobby Grich. The 0-1. Swings through that one for strike 2.
0-2.
Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again. Pitch is in the dirt, and that's ball 1. And they'll do it again. Berkman off of first with 2 away. That's to third. De La Cruz slings it across. Inning over. And welcome back to the ballpark. We're at the top of the 8th. Here's Acuna now. Skubal back to work. Swing and a miss. 0-1.
Oh, I'm impressed with that challenge pitch right there. Even with this slim lead, this guy's not afraid to go right after these hitters.
Looking to get the tying run on base. Sharp grounder. That's through for a base hit.
Still able to come through behind in the count right there. Smash that one through the infield for the knock. When it's hit that hard, it makes it very...
Here goes the runner. Pitch in for a strike.
You got to
throw, safe. And the tying run is now in scoring position. Pitch misses. 1 ball, 1 strike.
That's a good pitch there. Really had some run and finished a little up and in just on the edge. And that's one of those, if you swing at it, you had a broken bat as you jog back to the dugout.
So the tying run at second. Swing and a miss. That one in the dirt. Beats him for the first out, and that completes the strikeout. And an excellent job keeping it right there. And here's the first baseman. He's grounded out a couple of times. Line drive, base hit. Runner around third. He'll score, and it's an RBI single, tie game here in the 8th.
Well, he gets it done in a big spot to get the run across. Everything was on time and fluid in that swing.
Runner on the move. Hit in the air, center field. Bellinger under it. 2 away now. And now the DH, Tim Raines. 0 for 1 with a flyout. To the left side, but it is well foul.
He's got a rare skill set out there on the mound. Even when he's low on energy, his
runner on the go. Pitch is low.
I got a ball.
Throw, save. That's a stolen base.
Now the go-ahead runs in scoring position, so big opportunity for them to jump ahead late.
Out to center. And that's the third out. Back here in Pittsburgh, on to the bottom of the 8th, and now it's switch hitting third baseman Terry Pendleton. Obi Milner gets the ball now. In the air, fairly deep to right field. And Acuna able to make the grab. And there's one away. And here comes Bellinger. 0 for 3 in this one. And a swing and a miss. Bases empty, one away. Here the bottom half of the 8th inning. Late swing, foul to the left. This one in the air. De La Cruz drops into the glove. That's out number 2.
Good hard fastball up in the zone right there. They look really good coming in, but so hard to get on top of as a hitter.
Fly ball center field. Hauls it in to end the inning. Back here at PNC Park, and the back. Now, Craig Biggio. Swing, and he breaks his bat. Bare hands it. Tough play, and that's a great play for the out.
Good late life on that inside fastball. Ran in on the hands and got that weak contact. Little slow grounder to get the out.
Robinson, the next to hit, takes outside.
Trying to keep good speed off the bases.
1-1.
And a 1-1. And that one popped in the air, left field. Berkman brings it in. 2 down.
Just pulled off of it a little bit right there. That front shoulder coming open instead of staying closed. If he does that, he's going to be able to go up the middle the other way with some authority instead of a fly out to left.
Swing and a foul straight back. Two down, nobody on. Here at the top of the 9th. Swing and a miss, and he struck him out. And we're back. And now the catcher comes up to hit. Mike Napoli. That's off the inside corner. Ball 1. To the right side, Robinson throws to first in time. 1 up, 1 down. Kyle Schwarber comes up to hit here. And there's the strike.
Late in the game, everyone gets a little tighter. Way to get ahead on a really good hitter right there.
I got 1 ball, 1
Next
strike.
offering way upstairs. Swing and a miss.
Man, he
1 ball,
really sells
2
the
strike.
changeup with that arm action.
Misses the zone for a ball. That was the sweeper. Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Nick Kurtz now at the plate. Swings through the fastball up in the zone.
0-1.
Swing and a miss as he was late.
Ahead 0-2 in the count.
No ball,
Sure, you've
2
got 4
strike.
pitches you can work with, but throw something you can
1
command
ball,
and get this
2
at bat
strike.
over with as quickly as possible.
Got him swinging for the strikeout. And welcome back to the ballpark. All set for the start of the inning. And now the shortstop, Luis Aparicio. Bunts it in the air. Puts it away for the out. And here is Ronald Acuna Jr. 1 for 3. Here's the pitch. Runner on the move. Bunting, but that's a foul ball. 1 out. The go-ahead run is at second. And fouled off. Runner goes again. Got him swinging.
Just not a good
Throw to third. Save. And the go-ahead run is now only 90 feet away. Big at bat coming up with Ellie De La. Hold on. He's coming home. Squeeze bunt, but he can't get it to stay fair. Now a step off to third. Carroll back in on a dive. 2 down. Go ahead run in scoring position. Next offering upstairs.
Way to lay off that fastball up right there. You're looking for something you see well that you can handle, but you also have to keep the discipline so that you're not popping up pitches that are just a little too high.
Check swing, and he went 2-2 now.
2 strikes.
And it's fouled off. They'll do it again. Gets a piece and stays alive.
Definitely got the hitter conscious of the pitch inside. Really think the outer half is open.
Fights it off. He'll see another.
Well, he knows they don't want to give him anything to hit, but when you've got opportunities to drive in runs, you've got to expand.
This to center field. Makes the grab, and that's the 3rd out.